So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add effects to text here in Microsoft Word. So once you have Microsoft Word open up on your device, what I want you to do is to obviously type in whatever text you're looking for. So if you wanted to type in, for example, text effects, just like that, I'll make it a little bit larger as well. As you can tell, obviously, there's no fancy effects whatsoever. It's just basic, default, boring text. Now, if you want to add some effects to it, the simplest way to do it is to actually highlight the text right here. Go to the top left, make sure the home tab is selected, then go to where it says there's this sort of this A with an outliner right beside it where it says text effects. Press on the drop down arrow right here. Now, what you can actually do here is select a done or a pre-done template, or you can go, add outline, shadow, reflection, glow, whatever the case is. So if you want to use this one, for example, this style, you can do that. You can type in text effects like this, highlight it. You can add, maybe you wanted to add this one, whatever the case may be. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to add text effects to text here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.